Good day, my friends. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great today. We'll talk about integration today, so here we go. So, first, there is a quiz problem which you should try on your own. I'll give you some time. We are going to find the integration with the limits of integration from 1 to 2 x dx divided by x squared plus 1. For practice part, we will solve integration x indefinite integral x sine x d sine 2x dx. Okay, so how to do this? So here we have to use, so let me change the color of my ink. Use integration by parts. Integration by parts. Give a thought to how you can use integration by parts to solve the quiz problem. Okay, we will do it for the practice problem. Let u is equal to x, okay, and let dv, comma, and dv is equal to sine 2x dx. Okay, then du is equal to dx. Okay, and if we integrate on both sides, integration of dv is equal to integration of sine 2x dx. Okay, or v is equal to, by integration, minus half cosine 2x. Integration of sine x is actually minus cosine x. Just because we have sine 2x, we multiply by minus half or divide by 2 and keep the negative sign. Okay, so integration by parts. Integration by parts is integration of u dv is equal to uv minus integration of v du. This is the formula that we are going to use. Okay, so then integration of x sine 2x dx, because u is x and dv is equal to sine x dx, is equal to uv. Remember, the first term is uv. So u is x times minus half times cosine 2x. That's uv part. And then the next part is minus integration. V is minus half cosine 2x. There's a minus sign. Cosine 2x. And it is du. So I substituted v as minus half cosine 2x, and then it is du. Okay. So this will become equal to, if I move this a little bit up, you will see, is equal to minus half x cosine 2x, okay, and then plus half integration plus integration, minus and minus becomes plus. So half is outside, cosine 2x. And I should have written dx in this case. Okay, so if I erase this correctly, write it correctly, this is dx. Okay, so du, as I told, is dx basically. So now we have the final answer as minus half x cosine 2x plus, because it's cosine 2x, and the integration of cosine x is sine x. Because of 2x, the 2 will come in the denominator. 2 times 2 is 1/4 sine 2x, plus I will have an integration constant c. Okay, so that's your answer using integration by parts. Okay. Did you put some thought into how will you solve the quiz problem? So this is your answer for the practice problem. Okay. Now let's take a look quickly at the quiz problem. Okay. So if I move it up a little bit, the quiz problem is evaluate integration limits are from 1 to 2x dx um, divided by x squared plus 1. Okay, how to do this problem? So let's change the color of the ink also. Let's go back to the red and let's do it. Quiz problem is, the quiz problem was limits from 1 to 2, integrate x dx, x squared plus 1. Okay, so again, integration by parts. Let u is equal to x squared plus 1. So du is equal to 2x dx. Okay, and then integration of x dx by x squared plus 1. We have a half missing, is equal to half integration 2x dx by x squared plus 1. Okay, now we know this 2x dx is nothing but du. I should not find the, forget the we will go back to the limits in a minute, and x squared plus 1 is equal to u. So basically it's the derivative of u, derivative of 1 over u with respect to u, du by u to be integrated. So that becomes, okay, if I create some space here, it becomes, this is equal to then, equal to half integration of u, 1 over u with respect to u is half ln u plus c. And that is equal to half, for u we can substitute x squared plus 1. Okay, plus c. Okay, now our original problem is to find integration with x dx, x by x squared plus 1 with respect to x, limits are from 1 to 2. So this is equal to half ln x squared plus 1 plus c, and again the limits are from 1 to 2. Okay, so this is equal to half ln. Okay, we will put the first limit 2 square plus 1 plus C, okay, minus half ln 1 square plus 1, and this will be a plus C, but this will be inside the parenthesis. Okay, so pardon me, I'll fix that. So and this minus sign is actually outside the parenthesis, so let me write that clearly. Okay, so this becomes half ln 2 square plus 2 square is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, ln 5 plus C is basically C by 2, and this is also C by 2 because everything is C by 2, minus half 1 square is 1 plus 2 is 1 plus 1 is 2, so ln of 2 minus C by 2. Since this is plus, minus and a plus becomes minus. Then we can cancel out the constant terms. So the constant terms cancel out. So we have half ln of 5 minus half ln of 2, which is half ln 5 by 2. So that's your final answer. Half ln 5 over 2. Okay, for this problem. So again, I used the rules of integration by parts, and I identified u as x squared plus 1. I found out du 2x dx. Then for 2x dx, I wrote du, and since x squared plus 1 is u, it is becomes half integration du by u, which is half ln u plus c, where c is a constant of integration, is equal to half. I plug in the value of u, which is x squared plus 1 plus c. Then the limits of integration are from 2 to 1. So first I put the upper limit, half ln 2 square plus 1 plus c. This half, this c should be divided by 2 because half is distributed. So it becomes half ln 5 plus c by 2 minus half ln 2 minus c over 2. Because when the minus get distributed to plus, it becomes a minus. So c by 2 cancel out. We're left with half ln 5 minus half ln 2, which is half ln 5 by 2. So I'll stop here today. If you have any question, comment, do not hesitate to contact me. Write anything you feel like. I will reply to each one of your comment. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, a hearty thumbs up. That motivates me to produce more videos to help your math problems. Okay, help you with math problems. So if you like this video, share with your friends, you and your friends. Please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner. I'm back tomorrow with another problem, another solution. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a nice day.